Today, we'll tackle how to split a multi-page receipt into separate receipts in Docket, ensuring each transaction is neatly organized and easily accessible. Log into your Docket account by visiting app.docket.com. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Select Receipt Box from the drop-down menu and choose Receipt List to view all your receipts. Locate the receipt you want to divide. On the right side of the receipt row, click the Amount button. This will show you different options. Here, you'll want to select Split Receipt. Now, choose the Split Receipt by Page option. This is where you'll start to separate your multi-page PDF into individual receipts. To begin splitting, click Add Split below this page found in the top right corner. Navigate through the PDF with the forward button. Click Add Split below this page for each subsequent page you wish to separate. Continue until you've split all the pages in the PDF. When you're done, simply click on Done. And just like that, you've expertly split a multi-page PDF receipt into individual receipts in Docket. Clean, organized, and in perfect order. For more Docket tips and tricks, stay tuned.